Soaring some 400 kilometers above the Earth, the International Space Station was meant to be above earthly politics and differences. A partnership of former rivals Russia and the United States, and a symbol of global cooperation after the Cold War. Now, Russia's war in Ukraine and its isolation by the West is playing out in space. Moscow has announced that it will start the process of withdrawing from the ISS after 2024.
Without a doubt, we will fulfill our obligations to our partners. But the decision to withdraw from the station after 2024 has been taken. I think that by this time, we will start to form a Russian orbital station.
The Kremlin space station is the Russian Orbital Space Station, or ROS for short. ROS is expected to be in a sun-synchronous orbit. It will be able to see the whole surface of the Earth, including the Arctic. Cosmonauts will be able to observe Russia in high frequency from space. The Russians claim access to the station will be easier compared to the ISS, which means more medical and scientific experiments can be conducted. The first module is expected to be launched sometime in 2027 or 2028. By 2035, ROS is expected to have 7 modules. But turning ROS into reality is not going to be easy. Russia's space agency has to secure funding or find private partners. Its budget has dropped from $5 billion in 2015 to slightly more than $2 billion now. ROS's first model is expected to cost $5 billion.
A big, serious problem in the Russian aerospace industry is that the government is not prepared to invest enough money for the development of the sector and as much money as it asks for.
If Russia succeeds, it will join China, who will complete the building of its Tiangong station later this year. India too has announced plans to build a presence in space. In its lifetime, even during times of war, the ISS was a bridge between nations. As more countries pursue independent stations, will political allegiances on Earth shift to space?
Liftoff of the Progress